Is your check engine light on, and are you noticing that your car just does not want to fire up on those chilly mornings? If you scanned the computer and pulled up code P0066, you are dealing with an air-assisted injector control circuit, or circuit low, issue. This is very similar to other air assist codes, but the P0066 specifically tells us that the electrical signal returning to the engine control module, or ECM, is lower than what the computer expects. This code is most frequently found on Subaru and Jaguar models, as they rely heavily on this technology for emissions and cold weather performance. The air-assisted injector is designed to mix air with fuel to create a fine mist, which makes it easier for the spark plugs to ignite the fuel when the engine block is cold. If the circuit voltage drops too low, that injector cannot open or close properly, leading to a poor mixture. The symptoms you will face include engine misfires, rough idling, smoke from the tailpipe, and obviously a struggle to get the engine running when it has been sitting overnight. The causes here are usually electrical. We are talking about broken wires, a short to ground, a blown fuse, or a defective solenoid within the injector itself. To troubleshoot this, you need to get your hands dirty with some electrical testing. Start by locating the injector on the throttle body. Visually inspect the wiring harness. Since this injector is in a tight spot, the wires often rub against metal parts, causing the insulation to wear through and short out. Look for any exposed copper or broken plastic connectors. If the physical inspection passes, you will need a multimeter. You want to test the circuit for continuity. Disconnect the connector at the injector and, if you can access it, the connector at the ECM. You are testing to make sure the wire is not broken inside the insulation. You should also perform a voltage drop test to ensure the wire is capable of carrying the current. If the wiring is good, check the resistance of the injector itself against the manufacturer's specifications. If the resistance is too low or zero, the internal coil is shorted and you will need to replace the air-assisted injector. Remember to always disconnect your battery before doing any electrical repairs to avoid shorting out the computer. Once you repair the wiring or replace the unit, clear the code and take the car for a drive to ensure the light stays off.